Hello, kindergartners. We're going to talk about tally marks again today. We did this one time earlier, but we're going to talk about the tally mark. A tally mark is a line that records how many of something. So instead of giving a line to each one all the way across until you have one for each one, we put them in groups of 5. We bundle them. So with me, do tally marks for 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, nope, we made a mistake. What did we make a mistake about? You're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we cross it and shut the door. Now remember Miss Madeline said that when you cross it, you could sometimes cross from the bottom up, or you could cross the 4 from the top down, or you could go straight across. So that's what we're going to be doing. You get to decide the way you want to do it for crossing. I'm going to show you some numbers or some tally marks, and you're going to tell me how many. I need for you to go get a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can write your answers down, and then we'll check them. I'll give you a few seconds, and you go ahead and put me on mute so that you can go and get your paper. Get up and go get your paper. Okay, did you get your paper? Wonderful. The first one, I would like for you to put down A. The letter A, and beside of A, I want you to count how many tally marks, and I want you to write your answer. Remember, we put tallies in groups of 5, and this tally group goes across instead of up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door, 5, and then you keep going 6, 7, 8, 9, and you count on. Can you do that one for me? These are penguins. Oh, and we were talking about oviparous earlier. Penguins are oviparous. Okay, I'm going to put this one back up on my board, and we're going to check it in just a little bit. Now, write the letter B on your paper. We have frogs. Frogs are oviparous. And write down how many tally marks you can count. Remember, you can count each one, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and keep on going to count on. Or you can count in groups. 5, 10, 15. Write down your answer. If I'm going too fast, put me on pause. Fish are oviparous. Can you count these? If you're not good at counting by 5s, you can start with 5 and then count 5 and then count on 6, 7, and keep going. Hope you wrote down the letter C, because this one is C. And how many? Okay. Oh, I'm going to give you a really, really hard one next. D. Write the letter D down. This is a bird, and birds are oviparous. How many tally marks? It wasn't hard at all, was it? No. That was easy. Oh, here's chickens. E. Write down the letter E. And here is the chicken, or the hen. We saw that Emmeline had hens, and she had a video made for us about her hens and the eggs she collects, and then how those hens lay the eggs and the eggs hatch and make chicks. Did you see all those different colors of eggs? Okay, you count. Remember, if I go too fast, you can put me on pause. The next letter is F. Butterflies are oviparous. How many tally marks do we have for butterflies? Good job. I hear that you are counting by fives, some of you. Oh, G. The G is a turtle. It is oviparous. It lays eggs. Good job. Somebody said 5 and then started counting on. Good job. Okay, the next one is H. Write down an H on your paper. Count how many tallies. Awesome! Somebody was counting by fives. Good job. Remember, you can always put me on pause if I go too fast. Spider. Write down an I on your paper. Spiders are oviparous. They lay their eggs in their webs. Usually they make a sack to put their eggs in. An egg sack. Did you count by fives and then add on? Oh, here comes another hard one. You know I'm just picking. This is a frog again, but this is letter J. Top. Count how many tallies. Wow, you are awesome. Write your number down. We have a butterfly again. This butterfly is for the letter K. Write a K on your paper and then tell me how many butterflies. Well, my goodness, you are awesome, and that was quick. Okay, last one. You need to write a letter L on your paper. We have a bird again. This bird is letter L, and there are the tallies. Good job. Okay, now we're going to check our papers. Get ready. Put your paper so you can see it, and I'm going to see if I can turn my board around so that you can see. The sun is shining today. I am so glad, but it's kind of making a glare on my computer. I'll have to work on that. Okay, Miss Madeline is going to see if I can turn it. I may have to move it a little bit at a time, and I'll hold them up close. The first one was A. Let's see if you wrote the correct answer for A. Miss Madeline's going to count on. She's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then keep counting on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. Did you write a 19? That's a 1 and a 9. Did you get 19? Okay, the next one was letter B. Let's see if you can tell me what you had for letter B. I'll hold it up close. Let's count by fives on this one and then count on. 1, 5, 10, 15, 16. Did you write the number 16? A 1 and a 6. That is 16. Whoop, that's okay. In fact, I may just take them down. The next one is letter C. This was the fish one. Oh, I'm going to count by fives for this one. 5, 10, 15. Did you write 15, a 1 and a 5? Good job. Let's see about D. This was the one I said that was hard. It's easy. Yep. Just 1, 2, 2. Did you write the number 2? Good job. Then we have the hen. There were a lot of tally marks on the hen. How did you do it? Did you count by fives and then count on? Or did you count each tally mark? Or did you count 5 and then count on? Let's count 5 and count on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17. Did you write a 1 and a 7? Good job. Remember, if you're pointing, you're counting each little line. Let's try the butterfly. The butterfly was letter F, the F butterfly. Let's count this one by counting by fives until we have to add on. 5, 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did you write a 14? Good job. We'll do the turtle next. Letter G, look at your answer. Oh, that's a lot of tally marks. Let's count by fives and count on. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Did you write 18 for your answer? A 1 and an 8? Good job. We're going to take H. Oh, this one's a perfect one to count by fives. Let's see if we can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. Good job. 5, 10, 15, 20. Did you write a 2 and a 0 for 20? The next one is letter I, and it's the spider one. Beside of letter I, what number did you write? Good. And how did you count it? Did you count by tens and add on, or did you count each little tally? Some of you counted each little tally. That is perfectly fine. We'll do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut the door. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it again. 11, 12, 13. Did you write a 1 and a 3? Well, you're doing an awesome job if you did. Oh, J. J was a frog. This one was not hard at all, even though Miss Midland said it was going to be a hard one. This one's pretty good. I bet most of you said, oh, that's 5. 1 more is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Good job. Now we have 2 more. I'm going to bring my camera down. We have the butterfly that was K. K has just how many? 4, you're right. It doesn't have the cross across it. It's not had the door shut, so it can't be 5. It has to be less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. For K, did you write the number 4? Nope, that's okay. Last one, L. Raise your hand if you counted by fives and added on. Good job. Raise your hand if you counted by ones. That's good job too. How about if you counted by 5 and then started counting on? You just counted 5 and then started counting on. Let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Did you write 12? 1 and a 2 for L. This was an awesome lesson. I hope you were practicing from our last lesson. It looked like you had been because most of you could do this. If you will have your moms or dads or grandmas or grandpas, whoever you're staying with, brothers or sisters, to tell you to make tally marks. They can call out a number and see if you can write the tally marks. Don't forget to cross the 5. Now remember, tell moms and dads, we don't go past 20. All we need to do is make tally marks up to the number 20. You have a good day. Bye-bye.